What's going on, guys? This is Jacob from MarineMax, and today I wanted you to take a look at our newest consignment listing. This is available, ready to go right now. I'm standing next to a 2019 Key West 21-foot length overall boat. It does come with a high-tech trailer. If you know anything about the high-tech trailers, they are strong, durable, very well-built trailers that are going to offer more support on your boat than what you might think. As you can see, as I'm standing next to it, just how deep and big the gunnel sides are. This is going to provide a much more in-boat feel, much more safe feeling, and it's going to allow you to stay out on the water a lot longer and go a little bit farther than what you might think on a traditional 21-foot boat. Now let's hop up inside and let me show you some of the stuff. All right, now that we're up here into the helm of the boat, I wanted you to take a look at the Yamaha 150 that it is paired with. This is the most reliable motor offered by Yamaha. It's very efficient. It's gonna get you where you need to go and back reliably safe, and you're not gonna have to stress about it breaking down on you. In the aft section, you can see that there is a bench seat that extends all the way across. Each of these have their own individual cushions, but when you're out on the water and you wanna do a little bit more fishing rather than entertaining, they're easily removable, they're snap-on. Whenever you have friends, family that come with you, just throw them back on there. Excellent support and comfort for them when they're riding. Under each one, there is a designated space. Under the outside two, there's storage. The middle one, you flip up the seat, and then there's your live well. Right here at the seating station, there is a 94 quart igloo that is able to be fit underneath the leaning post seat. There is more rocket launchers than NASA on this boat. There's 6 up top, 4 back here. Upgraded leaning post seat with the flip down upholsteries, very comfortable. And if you're a short guy like myself, it gives you a little bit of extra height so you can see over the center console. This one's paired with a Garmin, has Lenco trim tabs, storage box on the T-top, as well as your Yamaha gauges. As we move forward to the front, I'll show you more. And as I'm sitting here at the forward section of the boat, you notice that this has wraparound seating as well as backrests. These backrests are removable, as well as the pads, same in the back section. If you needed more space for fishing and that's your predominant choice of water activity that day, you remove the seats and you have your fishing ability. As soon as you get done catching your fish, you got to pick up the wives, the kids, the friends at the dock, throw the pads back on, and they have excellent seating around. Again, this is a 2019 21-foot Key West, our new consignment listing, available, ready to go, trailer included, low hours. Give me a call. My name is Jacob Wright again, 850-819-9106.